Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor website design course video series. In the previous video, we installed the basic Hello Elementor theme. We also installed the basic free Elementor plugin and the Elementor Pro plugin. After that, we created the home page of the website and we assigned this page as the main page or the index page of the website. Now in this video, we are going to create the header section for the website. Now let's go to home page and click on view. So this is how the home page of the website looks right now. At the top, we have the title of the website. Then this is the title of the home page. And this is the footer section basically. We do not have any customized header or footer section and we do not have anything on the home page. So we are going to start with the header section. So let's go back to the dashboard. In the left hand panel, you will see Elementor, and below Elementor, you will see templates. Now under templates, you will see the option theme builder. Click on theme builder. So this is the feature that we are going to use to create different sections of the website. In the left hand panel, you will see different parts that you can create using Elementor theme builder. You can create templates for header, footer, single post, single page, archive, search results, loop item, error 404. So let's go to header section. Currently, we do not have any template created for the header section. You can also create multiple headers and use them on different sections of your website. For example, you can use one header template for pages and you can use another header section for the blog or the post on your website, and you can create another header template for e-commerce section of your website. In this example, we are going to create only one header and we will use it throughout the website. So here you will see the option add new. Click on it. Now, there are pre-designed blocks that you can use to create the header template. You will see a drop down here. From this drop down, you can select header, footer, gallery, hero, link in bio, portfolio. So all these options are available to create different templates. Currently, it is set to header and you will see different headers are already created. You can use any one of these pre-designed templates or you can create from the scratch. At the top, we have pages. These are the templates for the pages. Then we have My Template. If you are creating a website using Elementor Template Kit, then all the Elementor templates will be shown here. If I go to blocks again, you will see some layouts here. Let's click on this one. And you will see this is how it is going to look. You can customize it. You can change the colors. If you want to use this, you can simply click on Insert. And after that, you will need to link your website with the Elementor account that you have. If you are using Elementor Pro plugin, then you can link your website with the Elementor account, and you can also use the templates which are created for the Elementor Pro plugin. All right, so let's go back and we are going to create from the scratch. So let's close this one. Let's close this one also. Here you will see the structure of the header section that you are going to create. So I'm going to move it a little bit down. Right now, this is the section where we are going to create the header. Okay, in the left hand panel, you will see the widgets that you can use. These are the site widgets. You will see site logo, site title, page title, WordPress menu, and site map. Okay, then we have layout section, container or grid. Then we have basic elements that you can add: heading, image, text editor, video, button, Google Maps. So all these elements can be used, and these are the pro widgets that you can use. Then we have general elements which are available in the free plugin also. And below that, we have some WordPress widgets. All right. Now here you will see add a new container, add a template, or build with AI. Okay. If you want to build with AI, then you will need to connect your website again to the Elementor account and you will need access to the AI builder. Again, if you want to use pre-designed templates, then you can click on this one and use the pre-designed template. I'm going to click on the plus sign and I'm going to add a new section here. You will see Flexbox or grid. I'm going to click on Flexbox. You will see different structures that you can use. Single column direction is from the top to bottom. This is again a single column and the direction is horizontal. Then we have two columns, 4 columns, 3 columns. So you will see different structures are there which you can use. I'm going to use this structure. I'm going to add logo in the left hand panel, then menu in the central position, and in the right hand side, I'm going to add a button. So I'm going to use this one. Click on it and it will be added to the header section. Now we have 3 different columns here. In the left hand column, I'm going to add a logo. So click on the plus sign and from the left hand panel, we are going to use site logo. Now instead of site logo, you can also use image, because the logo is again going to be the image. So I'm going to add image here. So click on image, drag it and drop it in this column, and then click on this icon here, then go to choose image, and I'm going to upload the image. I have created logo here, so I'm going to use the logo. So this is the logo that I have created using Canva. So select the logo and click on select. So logo will be added in the left hand column. Now from here you can change the image resolution. You can also add a caption, and you can also add a link to the logo. So we're going to add a link to the logo. This, click on the drop down, click on custom URL, then click on dynamic tags and click on site URL. Okay, so we have selected the site URL. So if someone clicks on this logo, it will go back to the home page of the website. So this is nothing but the site URL. So we have the logo in the left hand column. Now in the right hand column, we are going to add a button. Right, so click on the plus sign and search for button. You will see a button here. Drag it and drop it here. Now this is the default color. We are going to change the color for the button and the overall site later. Currently it says click here. I'm going to change it. Let's say call now. So this is going to be a call button. You can also name it as contact or request a quote or get in touch. Whatever name you want, you can assign a name to it. I have used it as call now. And in the link section, you can add the link to the contact page of the website, or you can add a phone number. So if someone clicks on it, it will dial the phone number from the mobile device. And to add the phone number, you can start with tel colon. After that, you can add your phone number. I'm going to add some dummy number here. So whenever someone clicks on this button from the mobile device, it is going to dial that number. Currently, the color of the button is green. Let's go to style settings here, and these are the style settings for the button. From here, you can change the position. Let's make it center line or make it stretch so that it will cover the entire width. Alignment is to the center. This is for the text alignment. You will see the text alignment. So you can make changes to the text alignment. This is typography for the button text. If I change the font size, you will see the change in the font size here. Then you can also change the color. So currently we have 4 different colors here as global colors. This is the primary color, secondary color, text color and accent color. Okay, so we are going to change these colors later. I'll show you how to change the global color in the site settings. As of now, we are going to add color for this button only. So I want to use this color for this button. So I have one color picker tool here, and I'm going to use the color picker tool to get the hex code of this color. So this is the hex code of the color. Just click on copy. Okay, and click here and add the hex code here, and that color will be applied here. Now if you want to add this color in the global colors, you can simply click on the plus sign and add this color as a global color. However, I'll do it later and I'll show you how you can change the global colors. Okay, so as of now, we have this color as the background color for this button. This is the normal color. If you go to this section, you will see the hover color that we can change. Let's go to colors and change the hover color. Let's use this one, let's say, and text color will be white. So click on the color picker and select the white color. This is the code for the white color, FFF. So we're going to add this as a global color. So click on the plus sign and name it as white and click on create. So next time, if I click on this option, I don't need to search for the color. You will see that color is added here as a global color. Okay, so for the hover, we have this color as a background. So if I move the cursor on it, you will see the hover color for this button. Okay, now this button looks big, so I'm going to click on this column. When I click on the column, you will see an option to drag this width of to change the width of the column. So I'm going to change the width of this column here. Okay, or you can go to the column here and you will see an option to change the column width here. So this is set to 25. If I go to this column, you will see the width of this column, and if I go to this column, you will see the width of this particular column. So if I want to change the width of this column, I can, let's say, change it manually to 15%. So it is going to take the 15% of the width. If I go to this one, 25, and this one should be then 60%. All right, so we have 25, 60 and 15%. So you can change the width by dragging the columns, or you can make the changes here. It looks like the button is placed at the top of this column. I want it in the middle section. So click on the column and select the column, and you will see the settings for this particular column. You will see the width that we have changed to 15%. Then we have the direction of the elements that we are going to add in this column. So if you add new element, it will go to the bottom of this particular element. So the direction is from top to bottom. Justify the content. Let's make it center align, and you will see now it is at the middle section of the column. Align items to the center or straight. All right, do the same thing for this column. Select the column and justify center. In this section, we need to add menu items. So for that, first we need to create a menu on the website. Before that, we are going to add a top bar for the header section. So click on the plus sign. We want the top bar above this header section. So click on the plus sign here. Then click on plus sign to add a section. And let's use 2-column section. In the left hand column, we are going to add phone number and email address, and in the right hand column, we are going to add, let's say, social media icons. Okay, so click on the plus sign here and search for icon list. Okay, so this is the widget that we're going to use. Drag it and drop it. So you will see this is how it looks. We can add icon and some content for the icon. So let's say I want to add phone number and email address. Currently, we have 3 different items in the list, so I'm going to delete one. Click on the first item. Here you will see icon. Click on icon and change the icon to phone icon. So I'm going to search for phone. You will see some icons there. Let's select this one. Insert it. So you will see the change in the icon. And it is going to be phone number. So I'm going to add a dummy phone number here. So you will see the phone number. Let's go to the second item. Click on the icon. Search for envelope. Envelope is used as the email icon. So select envelope, insert it. So this is going to be the email icon. Let's add the email here. Let's say info@example.com. If you want it to be clickable, then you can add the link here. For the envelope, you need to start with mail to column, and after that you can add your email address. So it will be clickable, and if someone clicks on it, it will go to the mailing system. Similarly, for the phone number, you need to start with TEL colon and then phone number. Okay, this is vertical, so I'm going to make it inline. So now the icon list is inline. Now in the right column, we are going to add social icons. So search for social. Click on plus sign and search for social icons. You will see this option here. Click on it, drag it and drop it in the right column. Click on this section at the top. This is the first section. Click on it and you will see the settings for this particular section. I want to change the background color of this section. So click on the plus sign again. You will see the style settings for this particular section. Click on background type. We want it as color. So click on the color and select one of the colors. These are the global colors, but I want it like this one. So I'm going to use the hex code again. So this is going to be the background color for this top bar. And I don't want padding, so go to advanced settings and go to margin, change the margin and padding settings. Let's make it 0 so that there will not be any gap. We will change it later again. Click on the social media icons and let's change the size. Currently it is set to rounded, so I'm going to change it to circle and you will see the change here. Okay, alignment is at the center. I'm going to make it right side. Let's go to style and change the size. Let's reduce the size to, let's say, 15. Currently it is set to official color. I'm going to make it custom color, and for the primary we are going to use the same hex color. so that it will not show the background color. So this is going to be the color for the icon, and for the secondary we have the white color, so I'm going to leave it as it is, white color. Okay, we need to add the links for the social media icons. So let's go to content for the social media icon. This is the Facebook icon. Click on drop down and enter your Facebook link here. Go to Twitter and add your Twitter link. And similarly for the YouTube, you can add the link for the YouTube channel or the YouTube video. So if someone clicks on it, it will go to particular page. All right, so this is about the social media icons. Let's go to the icon list here. Go to style settings and change the color for the icon. Let's make it white, or let's make it yellow. Then go to text and change the color of the text to white. So you will see the change in the color now. If you want, you can change the size, content size, or the font size. And here you will see the font family that you can use for this content. Currently it is set to Roboto. I'm going to keep it as it is, and we will change it later. Then we have list. If you go to list here, you can change the space between these items. All right, if you want to add divider, you can also add a divider. So you will see a divider here. You can change the color and the width of the divider. So in the top bar, we have the icon list and social media icons. If you want to see how does this look, you can simply click on this arrow here and it will take the full width, and you will see this is how it will look. This is the icon, this is the call button. If you want to set it as full width, you can simply select this section and change the content width from box to full width. Okay, so now we have it set to full width. If I click on it, you will see this how it will look. Okay, so this one looks good. However, we need to change the width so that the logo will not look too big. So I'm going to make it 20% for the left column. This one is 15% already. I'm going to make this one 65%. Okay, now the logo will not be too big. All right, so this one looks good. Now you will see the structure here. You will see two different containers here. Let me minimize it. You will see this is the main container. This is the top bar. This is the top bar, and this is the main container here. If I click on this top bar container and click on drop down, you will see we have two containers inside this main container. In the first container, we have icon list. In the second container, we have social icons. In the second main container, we have three containers. That means three columns, 1, 2, and 3. In the first column, we have image. In the last column, we have button. And in the central column, we do not have anything, so it shows empty. All right, let's close it. At the top, you will see three icons. This is for the desktop, this is for the tablet, and this is for the mobile device. Let's go to tablet, and this is how the header section will look on tablet. Now the width of this column looks smaller on the tablet, so I can click on this column and I'm going to change the width 20%. Let's change it to percent here and let's make it 20%. This one, let's make it 20, and this one will be 60%. All right, so this one still looks small, so let's make it 25, and this is going to be 55. All right, so for each device you can customize the width or the style settings of the header section. All right, now let's go to tablet, let's go to mobile, and this is how it will look on the mobile device. At the top we have this icon list, then we have social media icons, logo. Here you will have the menu and then call button. Once you are done with the customization, you can click on publish and it will ask you where do you want to display this template, and you will see a condition here. Click on add condition and you will see an option entire website. So we are going to use this header template for the entire website. So click on entire website, click on save and close. So the header section is ready without the menu item. Let's go back to the website, go to dashboard. Now we are going to create menu. So click on appearance and go to menus. And you will see an option to create a menu. I'm going to name it as main menu and click on create a menu. So one menu is created and the name of the menu is main menu. Here you will see which pages you want to add in the menu. So select home, click on add menu, add to menu. So we have the home page in the menu. Currently we do not have any other page. That's why it shows only the home page, and we have added that one. Click on save menu. All right, so the menu is ready. Now let's go back to header section. Click on refresh. We are going to refresh it. Click on the plus sign and you will see the option here, WordPress menu. Drag it and drop it here. And you will see it is already set to main menu. All right, so the main menu is already there. Click on alignment, go to alignment and make it center align. It will be horizontal menu. These are the settings for the mobile drop down. Then we have toggle button, hamburger will be used. Text align for the mobile drop down will be aside, and toggle align will be center align. I'll show you. Let's go to style settings and we are going to change the color. You will see the typography. This is the typography for this text. So let's make it 18 pixel. Let's make it 17 pixel. Change the weight 500, and for transform let's use capitalize. If you want it in uppercase, you can change it to uppercase. For the style, you have option normal, italic or oblique. Decoration, if you want it underline, overline, line through or none. So we have it set to none. Let's change the color. I'm going to use the hex code for the same color here. And if you move the cursor on it, you will see hover color, which is a green one. So if you go here, you will see the hover color. These are the settings for the hover color. You can change the settings. Let's change it to somewhat this one. Copy the hex code and use the same one for this text also. Right, so if I move the cursor on it, you will see this color, hover color. Let's go to active. These are the active color settings. If the user is on the same page, this is going to be the color for that menu item. All right, now let's go to mobile view, and this is how it is going to look on the mobile device. Let's go to content and you will see it is toggle align is to the center. You can change it to right or to the left or to the center. This is going to be the icon. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Full width, let's change it to full width, and this is how it will look. All right, once done, click on publish, and this header will be used for your website. So let's go to the website, let's refresh it, and let's see how does this look. So this is how it is going to look. If I refresh it, you will see this is the new header section of your website. We have the top bar, then logo, menu, and call button. In the next video, we are going to create the footer section for the website.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.